This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, what number is midway between 4 plus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3? Now we have to find the midway between 4 plus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3. First, convert this 4 plus 2 by 3 into improper fraction. That is, 4 plus 2 by 3 can be converted as 4 3s are 12 plus 2 by 3 means 14 by 3. And similarly, this 3 minus 1 by 3 can be converted as 3 3s are 9 minus 1 by 3. That is 8 by 3. Now, to find the midway between this 4 plus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3, we need to find the fractions between 8 by 3 and 14 by 3. So, in between 8 by 3 and 14 by 3, there are fractions which are 9 by 3, 10 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3 and 13 by 3. So to find the midway, here from given options we have 11 by 3 is the midway between 4 plus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3. So hence 11 by 3 is the number which is a number which is midway between 4 plus 2 by 3 and 3 minus 1 by 3. That is, our correct option is option C, which is 11 by 3.